Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Used to be, pain kept me in bed all day.
I had to put my whole life in remission.
Finally, I said enough's enough.
I'm taking charge of my health.
Get back out there.
Start living again.
Nourishing my body from the inside out.
With things found in nature, not made in a lab.
Nature's prescription, only from the world's most powerful nutrient extractor. Introducing the NutriBullet RX.
The Nutri Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
The Ninja Smart Screen Blender features an intuitive, durable touchscreen that can stand up to any kitchen task. Choose between 4 preset Auto IQ programs, bringing simplicity to everything you make. Or use manual settings, where the control is in your hands. Enjoy expertly blended frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, dips, and more with the Ninja Smart Screen Blender.